my Apple Watch Series 7 arrived. So the Series 7 with 41 millimeters with a Nike, it's a Nike edition, so it has a Nike sport loop and some Nike features. That's super worth it because it's the same price. Nice. I'm unboxing an Apple Watch. Let's open this. It's all environment friendly. There's no plastic, so maybe someone stole it from me. Maybe it's an empty box, I don't know. Okay, so here it says Series 7, 41 millimeters with a little thingy there. And now, ooh, that's actually so nice. There's two boxes here, the strap I assume, and the watch itself. This looks so neat. That's not the Nike edition. They're just regular Apple Watches. Now we have it here. So here is the Apple Watch Series 7. And here's the sport loop strap, which is a nylon strap, and you'll see this afterwards, and we'll do this afterwards. So now let's unbox this. Let's open the other side. Unbox this. Oh, okay. Even that is nice detail. And you can see this is the midnight option. And there's a little piece of paper on top of this. Looks quite nice. And that's the watch. And now there's the paperwork here in this envelope designed by Apple in California. And then here at the back here we have the charger. So this is the new charger, which is 33% faster, but it's also USB-C instead of USB. So but you have to have a stronger charging brick if you want to have that 33% faster function. Now back to the paperwork. You just got the normal, nothing special. Now let's take this thingy off. I also have my screen protectors here. It's just regular screen protectors. Let's do this. The color of the sleeve is the same color of the watch itself. So if you have a green watch, it will be green. And also there's some nice detail at the back of the sleeve, which is the same detail on the watch. And also this envelope actually locks really well inside. You see it's locked completely in. I can put it on immediately. A pack of 7 or 6. You have a piece of plastic to put the watch on. Gear. Oh, it's like a band-aid. Very easy to apply. Oh shoot, this band-aid's such a good idea, but it's so dumb that it's not transparent, this bit. So now I did it and I didn't know that I didn't push down the bubble. So now there's bubbles everywhere. Now I had to do it again. This is so dumb. It's a TPU film. So now let's unbox the Nike Sport Loop. So it's a nylon black sport band, and it's Velcro. And this is the one I've been complaining about, but I didn't want to have double silicone because I already have the base blue silicone sport loop. That's super cool. I'm super happy with it, and this is the one I'm complaining about, but I wish that it had reflective and Nike logo. That would be perfect. Now let's nice. Okay. I like this nylon. It's kind of like elasticy. It's very elastic. Basically in the box. Now let's open this. Ooh, nice. I like this opening. This is the super fast charging one, so it's 33% faster than the older one, but it's USB-C. That's super nice. But this belt here looks so thick. How do you want me to open this? Oh, nice. silver color. Here we have it. Oh, nice. Now let's put the strap on. It locks in. Now let's turn it on. Button inside to remove it, the strap. And it's so small, actually. It's so much smaller than I expected. And the digital crown is so cool and it's so detailed. And I didn't actually think all these little elements, how it's so rounded. It's so small in person. Cool details. It's only available if you have a night edition. I can't really show you because I'm pairing the phone that I'm recording with. It's also known to be the most durable Apple Watch. So it has a super crack resistant stuff and super thick, and it's also super rounded. The screen just rounds up to the corners, which is super cool. And it's also more water resistant and dust resistant. So it's dust resistant IPX6X and water resistant WR50. I can't really tell the difference. So it's super cool. And this is Sport Loop in a base blue. I've been wearing this most of the time. I have another video up there that I made of this and the silicone case for our iPhone 13. So the mini charger, it has some nice animation and also changes. You can put it sideways, or just put it sideways. So you can see the thingy here. And the battery is not as long as I expected. It's quite short, the battery. So it's not a huge upgrade from my last one. The battery, it's not very good. I'm very happy with the battery, but the charging is super nice. So yeah, if you have good charging, it's kind of okay. And the password is super cool because I can unlock my computer and my iPhone, because with Face ID I can't really use my Face ID if you're wearing a mask, if you're correctly following the rules. So this can unlock it for me, which is super cool. And my computer also, so it's faster than, and it'll just do some like sound animation and it'll just vibrate. Super cool. I also have the watch all flipped over, so the digital crown and the power buttons are on the other side. So because I'm a lefty, so I just put on the other side. That I really like it. The other brand's watch, you have to have it on the opposite side. You see the animations on the top here. If you're a lefty, you're going in the bottom. The digital crown is here. So and the animation, the little showing thing is, the moving thing is going on the opposite side. That's some stupid detail. And but the brightness should be here, which is quite annoying. And there's a whole bunch of different modes here, easy access and the torch and all those stuff. And there's also some super cool sensors and a whole bunch of super cool blood oxygen, ECG, and then heartbeat, but there's no stress, I didn't find. And there's a whole bunch of other health monitors. This is ECG, which is like heartbeat but super accurate. You have to put your finger here for 30 seconds. And there's also the normal heartbeat, and there's also the blood oxygen, and another one is the hearing one. The hearing one here, which is super helpful. I use it more, and it tells you when it's too loud, and really like it. But what I think is a really big upgrade is the screen. The screen is so much bigger, and that's like something you use. Anything you do on this watch, from watch face, looking at the time, anything. The bigger screen is a really big upgrade, and I really like it. All this rounded stuff, and as you can see, and this keyboard is just amazing. And you see the keyboard, the gestures work super well. And also you can also type, if you type passwords and type like weird stuff that's not English normal, you can just type it, and still it's quite accurate. It's like 90% chance of correct words for both. That's quite high. And you can also have symbols and all those stuff that really like it. And you see everything you do. The bigger screen is really helpful. And there's also some other stuff like walkie-talkie if you have Apple Watch. The camera here is super cool because you can see what you're recording. So for instance, this is what I'm recording now. I'm recording with my phone, so you can see exactly what you're recording, which is super cool. And so other really cool features is like the hand gestures. So you can pinch double, clinch double, and the control stuff with a pinch. If you can see me pinch, it is quite good. And double pinch to go backwards. Super cool. And if you only have one hand, it really works well. Or if your other hand is occupied, or if the only free hand you have is the hand that you're wearing your watch with, it can be really helpful and useful. And you can also have Siri. Hey Siri, go home. No, not home. I mean this home here. So you also have Siri, but this one here, it's you don't have to like say it out loud. So when you're in public areas, and also it's quite quiet, and also if you don't have 4G connected. And there's also the car key thingy, but it's only available if you have a BMW car, so that's really a shame. And the bigger screen is actually a really big upgrade. It's also like 50% bigger than the Series 3, which is enormous, and also like something bigger than the Series 6. Some more information about the Series 7. And this is some other stuff, so it's this recycle environment friendly stuff. It's supposed to be super environment friendly. And please don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye. See you next.